My suggestion for the size of a warning triangle should be intentionally large and reflective, making it hard to miss even from a distance. Its size should play a crucial role in alerting oncoming traffic and giving drivers enough time to react safely. The warning triangle must be large and easy to see, so other drivers can spot it from far away. This will help warn them early and avoid danger. When your car breaks down, it's important to warn other drivers as quickly as possible. One of the first things you should do is place the warning triangle. On normal roads, place it 30 meters behind your vehicle. On highways, it should be at least 100 meters behind. The warning triangle should be reflective, so it's hard to miss. But remember, even with the triangle in place, accidents still happen. That's why it's critical to leave the vehicle immediately and wait behind the guardrail. Not following this rule could be life-threatening, like in cases where a van slammed into a broken-down car, seriously injuring the people who stayed inside. This is exactly the kind of situation that puts lives at risk. The passenger stopped on the hard shoulder, but made a critical mistake. They stayed near the vehicle instead of moving behind a guardrail. On a high-speed road, that's a deadly choice. Vehicles can lose control at any moment, and standing close to traffic is like standing in the line of fire. Ever seen those round black speed bumps being installed on your street? Here's what's really going on. These modular, often rubber-based speed bumps are prefabricated traffic calming tools designed for quick installation and high visibility. Unlike traditional concrete bumps that take days to cure, these can be bolted directly onto the road surface in just a few hours, saving time and labor costs. Why use them? They're more flexible and forgiving on car suspensions, easily removable or adjustable if traffic patterns change. Their bold color and reflective strips make them more visible at night, improving safety effectiveness. Studies and community reports show these bumps reduce vehicle speed by up to 40%, especially in school zones and residential areas. They're also quieter than older asphalt humps. Snow plowing vehicles are the heroes of winter. While most of us stay warm inside, these powerful machines clear icy roads and keep traffic moving safely. Without them, emergency services, deliveries, and daily commuters would be stuck. Literally, they don't just plow snow. They keep life going when the weather says stop. Modern roadwork just got smarter. Instead of digging up entire sections, a giant drill precisely cuts around the drainage. And strong cement is poured in for a clean, durable finish. Faster, neater, and built to last. That's smart construction. Brightly colored flood control barriers aren't just eye-catching. They're lifesavers in action. These lightweight, easy-to-deploy barriers can be quickly set up to stop large volumes of water and redirect the flow, protecting roads, homes, and critical infrastructure. Their bold colors ensure high visibility in emergencies, making them a smart and powerful defense against flooding. Imagine this. No more stepping out in the rain or waiting in line. A sleek robot rolls up, opens your gas tank with precision, fills it up, and gently clicks it shut, like a butler for your car. The future of gas stations might just mean saying goodbye to human attendants. hello to your new fuel-filling friend. Gone are the days of laying curbs by hand. Now, road construction has gone high-tech. Meet the curb machine, a special piece of equipment that glides along like an artist, shaping perfect straight and bending curbs with machine precision. Faster, cleaner, and built to last. This is Roadwork 2.0. This machine plasters walls like a pro, smooth finish in seconds, no messy hands. Watch paint vanish like magic. This chemical stripper melts old paint off metal in seconds. No scraping, no stress.